Unlock that signature soaring, emotional sound of progressive house with this definitive FL Studio guide. We'll start by crafting a mesmerizing, layered synth melody. Select a warm, evolving pad sound, then layer a brighter, more prominent lead synth on top. Use FL Studio's built-in effects like chorus and delay to create width and depth for the backbone. We'll build in impactful drum groove. Start with a solid kick, then add a punchy snare on the second and fourth beats. Open hi-hats on the off beats will provide that essential rhythmic drive. Next, we'll lay down a deep, rolling bassline that complements the melody. A classic sine wave or a saw wave with some subtle distortion works wonders. Now, let's bring in the arrangement. We'll build intensity by gradually adding and subtracting elements. Start with just the drums and bass for the intro, then bring in the melody, building with filtered breakdowns and powerful drops. Subtle automation on filters, volume, and even reverb levels is key to creating that dynamic, forward motion. Finally, for that professional polish, we'll use subtle compression on individual tracks and a touch of global compression on the master to glue everything together. A final limiter prevents clipping and ensures your track has maximum impact. With these techniques, you're well on your way to producing your own epic progressive house anthems in FL Studio.